Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392 out here at Metro 4 this morning. I'll be filming this beautiful. Let me show you. It's Black Widow. Let me show you this thing from the beginning. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday morning. It's Wednesday morning out here, hump day. They call it hump day. Heading into the weekend, man. It is cold out here, but I know I got to get my content, so it is what it is. I like this, man. F-150 Black Widow SR. It's nice. All right, let's walk around. Hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. I'm freezing my butt off, but I'll be okay. Trust me, guys, I've been to 21 different countries when I was in the Army. I've been to places a lot colder than this. And here I am, 6 or 7 years, and I'm still here. Praise God. Look at that Supercharged, man. I didn't know it was Supercharged. Okay. Oh, okay. Supercharged. That's something different. Look at all this frost on here. Jack Frost been around. Jack Frost ain't got no boss. Supercharged, baby. See, can I get this here? Hold up. I can't get it. What's the price on this thing? Oh, there's the price right there. Okay, that's way too expensive. Oh shit, hell no. Well, I got a bed liner, but it ain't worth the price it's listed at. Even with a bed liner. Even with a bed liner and some fancy wheels on it, rims, it ain't worth that, you know. It's got that little peekaboo window right there. Whatever that means. Peekaboo. I do like the bed liner though. Check out the rims. What is that, a nail? That's just a rock. Okay, I thought that was a nail. I was like, damn, they got a nail on the tire. This is nice. I really like this. Give me my thumbnail shot right here. It's hard to get a thumbnail shot on this because the angle that it's at, and it's around all these other cars. Okay, let me get back here and give me one more shot from this angle. Yeah, we're gonna move on. All right, guys, it's Uncle Mike 392. You guys stay warm out there. I'll see you guys on the other side. Later.